All right.
What do you got now?
You talk about mini, I talk about mini. We talk about mini.
What mini
together.
you got?
I have got Sweep's latest and greatest. People were chomping at the bit for these. These are mini racing tyres.
So
Now, mini
these...
as in M chassis.
Right.
So 1/10 scale M chassis because they use smaller tyres than what we put on our touring cars.
So like our little Abarth.
The little Abarth that's in the window,
yeah,
the one that we built,
yeah,
that will be the racing tyre for this. And Sweep have done all new molds, so it's all new carcass and profile, and all new compounds.
So these are the touring car compounds?
Yes, this is the latest D spec.
Ah,
D spec.
You know, it's just rubbing them inside the packet.
What? No, I'm gonna get.
Are you getting right into it?
I'm whipping them out.
All right.
I'm whipping it out, buddy.
You're not mucking around at all.
Go to the overhead. Let's have a
look.
look.
What do you call all these wheels? You commonly see these wheels on GTRs, don't you? On R32s.
Yeah, Volks.
Are they Volks? Are they?
Volks. I could.
Let's get in there.
I want to say T88s, but it's been a long time since I was talking. Oh, look, they've even got new embossing on the sidewall.
What's it say there? They say Sweep Racing.
Sweep Racing.
And what's on the other side?
Mini. I can see it without using it.
Oh, there you go. That's
wow. These are super sticky. They've got a nice air gap, so they're going to produce a lot of heat in the tire, which is good being a small, lightweight car. Yeah, so got pink inserts, these ones. Yeah, looking forward to it. Looking forward to seeing these on track.
I like it.
We'll get these on the Abarth. The Abarth's due for a birthday now because I've got some new shocks there. We've got some race tyres now. We can get it going.
Let's get it going.
Let's get it going.
Yeah.
We'll see where they're racing them next.
Because it's got some...
Might go out to Bosnia.
It's got some of the big diameter tyres on it. It's got those 70s on it,
60s.
hasn't it? 60s.
So these are 55, I think, is the standard fit in the 55 millimeter.
Yeah.
It's actually got offset. Remember, it's got 60s at the front and 55s at the rear.
That's right. They were meant to read that back, right? Yeah.
Yeah, but the racing spec is 55 mil. These will outperform the Tamiya tires hands down.
Oh, for
especially
sure.
coming from Sweep. And the good thing about mini tires is they last forever because they're fairly low powered. I mean, if you run it with a 540, if you put the brushless thing in there, then they can chew tires. But there you go.
Yeah, that's nice.
And we've got them in the 24, 28, 32, and 36 Shore compounds. So generally we stagger the compounds because the rear of the car is so light.
Yeah, it doesn't do a lot of work, does it?
Doesn't do a lot of work. It's hard to get temp in. So you usually run a 24 or 28 on the rear. And then on the front, generally just depends on the weather and how abrasive the track is to whether you generally will run a 32 or a 36.
Also, I guess if it's an indoor or outdoor track.
Indoor, outdoor.
There we go.
Maybe where the Santa comes.
New mini tyres. Super fast.
Super fast.
Super fast. All right, what we're going to do now?
Car of the week.
Car of the week.
Has anybody got horsepowers or weights? So it's heavy. It's lighter than 880.